Turbo Trading with head trader Robert Knight, MBA.
We talked about this DNAY earlier today, and I just wanted to point out some of the tradable patterns for it. It was very low volume to start with, and it had big wide spreads. But in here, over the $8 numbers where I started talking about, or was coming into this area. And this really was could have been a cup and handle pattern. Here's your cup, here's your handle, or here's a cup, here's a handle. And when it broke through the 8, that was the entry level for it. Maybe 8.10, 8.15, popped up, pulled back, held the support. You can see here it holds support on the 15 period moving average, and starts to ramp up. So there was 2 opportunities to trade this. One on the breakout, did pull back. Then when it broke out of this wedge pattern here like this, there was your second opportunity to enter this around 8 1/4. And then it just started working its way higher. Again, here's another cup and handle pattern. Here's your cup, here's your handle, pops out through that. It's got into a big rising trend. But then it started to trade up around this, which was our target, the 9. You can see that the bears were trying to take control of this pop-up, pull back. Now, when you get a long wick like that and it closes near the bottom, if the next candle's red, you need to get out of the trade. But in this case, it was green, it stayed. But here again, we have this big red candle, this big long wick, and it closes near the bottom of the range. Next candle's red and sells off sharply. You need to get out of that trade, and sure enough, look what happens. It continues to sell off here. And so it does have support around 885, and then maybe 865 or 850 even. So those are just some tradable patterns in that DNAY trade.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.